महाराष्ट्र समाजसेवा संघ संचालित नवरचना विद्यालय प्राथमिक. विषय जनरल सायन्स. घटक प्लांट्स स्ट्रक्चर अँड फंक्शन. स्टँडर्ड 7th. Students, in the previous standards you learned that there are various parts of the plants. The parts of the plants are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, bud and fruits. By studying these parts, we can identify the types and species of plants. Now, in this chapter, we are going to study the various parts of the plants. And the first part of the plants which we are going to study in this video is root. Which is the first part? Root. Now what is meant by root? Part of the plant that grow under the soil and support the plant. There are two main types of roots. How many types of roots are there? There are two main types of roots. The first type of root is tap roots and second types of root is fibrous roots. Now, we are going to study the various parts of the root. Before study the various parts of the root, in your textbook on page number 10, try the experiment about seed germination as given on textbook page number 10. Got it? Now, we are going to study the various parts of the root. And the first part of the root is radicle. Radicle is the part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil. It forms the root systems of the future plant. Roots grow under the soil. The next part is plumule. Now plumule is the part that grows above the soil as the seed germinates. It forms future shoot system. It grows above the soil. Now the next part, taproot. Now what is meant by taproot? Taproot is the thicker at the base. It tapers towards the end. Taproot produces secondary roots. Secondary roots grow obliquely and spread far and wide in the soil. Tap roots support the plant. Now the next part is root hair. Hair-like process near the root tip are called root hairs. Then the next part is root cap. Now what is meant by root cap? In the region of the growth of the root, the tip is covered by cap-like structure. This is the root cap which protects the root tip from injuries. Now in your textbook on page number 10, there is the figure of taproot. Now you can observe this figure. You will find all these parts of the root, that is root cap, root tip, root hair, then primary root and secondary root. Now the next point is fibrous root. Now what is meant by fibrous roots? Fibrous roots arise from the stem. Now try the experiment about growing different type of roots by germinating seeds as given on textbook page number 10 and 11. Then also observe the root of pea, mustard and coriander show growth of taproot. तुम्हाला कसलं निरीक्षण करायचं आहे? कोणत्या वनस्पतींच्या मुळांचं तुम्हाला निरीक्षण करायचं आहे? वाटाणा, देन मोहरी आणि कोथिंबीर जी आपल्याकडे सगळ्यांकडे असते घरामध्ये. Coriander show growth of taproot. You will find the taproot in such a plant, whereas sorghum and maize shows fibrous roots. Now the next type of roots are adventitious roots. Now what is meant by adventitious roots? Some roots grow from the stem just above the soil. What is meant by adventitious roots? Some roots grow from the stem just above soil. These are called adventitious roots. And in which plant they are grow? For example, maize म्हणजे मका, sugarcane and sorghum have two types of roots. They are adventitious roots above the soil and roots growing under the soil. म्हणजे काय, मका, ऊस ह्या वनस्पतींचं जर तुम्ही निरीक्षण केलं तर तुम्हाला दोन प्रकारची मुळे तिथे बघायला मिळतील. दोन प्रकारची कोणती मुळे? एक मातीच्या वरती उगलेली आणि दुसरी मातीच्या आत उगलेली. आता जी मातीच्या वरती उगलेली असतात त्यांना म्हणतात ॲडव्हेंटिशियस रूट्स, आणि जी मातीच्या आत उगलेली असतात त्यांना आपण रेग्युलर मुळे असे म्हणतो. राईट. नाउ व्हॉट इज मीन बाय फंक्शन ऑफ द रूट? देर आर व्हेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन्स ऑफ रूट्स. फर्स्ट, होल्डिंग अँड अँकरिंग द सॉईल फर्मली. म्हणजे काय, वनस्पतींची जी मुळे असतात ती मातीला घट्ट पकडून ठेवतात. होल्डिंग अँड अँकरिंग द सॉईल फर्मली. देन द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन ऑफ रूट इज absorption of water and minerals. Now all of you know that the plants takes water and various types of minerals from the soils. And what is the main function of the roots? To absorb water and minerals from the soil is the main function of root. Okay. Then the next function of root is supporting the plant. Now in our body there are bones to support our body, like this. In the plants there are roots to support the plant. Okay. Now in plants you will find the modified roots. There are various types of modified roots. They are aerial roots, then stilt roots, then runners, and the breathing roots. These are the modified roots. Now the next type of roots are prop roots. Now what is meant by prop roots? Prop roots are seen in banyan tree. Banyan tree म्हणजे काय, वडाचे झाड. These roots arises from branches and they grow towards the soil. आता तुम्ही वडाच्या झाडाचं जर निरीक्षण केलेलं असेल तर वडाच्या झाडांच्या फांद्यांना मुळे फुटलेली असतात बघा, आणि ती जमिनीच्या दिशेने खाली वाढत जातात. बरोबर. These roots are called prop roots. Once reaching the soil they support the canopy of the huge tree. आणि मग ह्या रूट्स जे प्रॉप्स रूट्स असतात त्यांचं फंक्शन काय असतं, एकदा का ते मातीमध्ये रुतली की ते मोठी मोठी जी झाडं असतात म्हणजे ज्या झाडांचा बुंदा मोठा असतो त्यांना ती सपोर्ट करण्याचं काम करतात. गॉट इट. देन द फंक्शन ऑफ द मॉडिफाईड रूट्स. वी लर्न देर आर व्हेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडिफाईड रूट्स. Aerial roots, stilt roots, runners, breathing roots. Now what are the function of these modified roots? The function of modified roots are as follows. Now the function of aerial roots. What is the function of aerial roots? The function of aerial roots is absorption of moisture from air. Now you know that there are water droplets in the air. They are called moisture. And to absorb the moisture from the air is the function of aerial root. Got it? Then the function of stilt root. Supporting the plant above the soil. I already told you that in banyan tree there are prop roots and these prop roots support banyan tree as it is a huge tree. So what is the function of stilt root? The function of stilt root is also सपोर्टिंग द प्लांट अबोव द सॉईल. म्हणजे मातीच्या वरती झाडाला सपोर्ट करण्याचं काम हे स्टिल्ट रूट करत असतात. देन द फंक्शन ऑफ रनर्स. रनर्स इज द टाईप ऑफ रूट अँड व्हॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द रनर्स? व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रॉपगेशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल रिप्रोडक्शन. म्हणजेच काय की त्या वनस्पतीला पुढे पुढे वाढत नेणं. व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रॉपगेशन म्हणजे त्या वनस्पतीमधलं जे रिप्रोडक्शन कॅपॅसिटी आहे तिला वाढवण्याचं काम हे रनर्स करत असतात. देन द फंक्शन ऑफ ब्रीदिंग रूट्स. व्हॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ब्रीदिंग रूट? ऑब्वियसली ब्रीदिंग. ओके. नाव द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट विच वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इज द स्टेम. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? विच पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी नाव? The next part of the plant which we are going to study is the stem. Now, in your textbook, on page number 12, there is the figure 2.6 parts of a stem. Now, you can observe this figure in your textbook and study the parts of stem. The stem grows above the soil. Which is the next part? Stem. And the stem always grow above the soil. The sprouting seed produce plumule, and from the plumule the stem grows. Got it all of you? Length of stem gradually increases as the sprout grows. म्हणजे दिवसेंदिवस ते जे खोड असतं त्या खोडाची जाडी आणि रुंदी वाढत जाते. Nodes on the stem are the points from where the leaves come out. And which is the part on stem from which the leaves come out? Node. Node on the stem are the points from where the leaves come out. Between two successive nodes is an internode. म्हणजे दोन नोडच्या मधला जो पार्ट असतो त्याला म्हणता इंटरनोड. Between two successive nodes is an internode. The tip or the special end of the stem is called a bud. Got it all of you? These are the parts of the stem. Now you can take the stem of sugarcane and observe the part of this stem.